What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the ACX across protocol token on Coinbase. For the first step we need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, check out the link in the description to sign up and get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. For the next step we need to use the search bar right on top and we will fill in ACX. And there you will find the across protocol token. We will select it and now you are at the token page. As you can see, we have a quick option to buy, sell, convert this token. For this one we will select the buy option because we would like to buy the across protocol token. You have also an option for a one-time order, so for a single order, or a recurring buy. And this means you will set it up automatically to buy this coin on a daily, weekly or monthly purchase. After that, we will leave it for a one-time order for now, and we need to fill in the amount of euro or dollars we would like to spend on this order. For an example, we would like to use 1000 euros, and as you can see, we can find the amount of tokens we will receive over here. For the next step we need to select our payment method. I have selected my credit card, but you can also select another payment method. If it's not here, you can also add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. After that we go back and we will click review order. And this will bring us to the order review. As you can see, we are paying a transaction fee of 38 euros on this order. And basically what a transaction fee is a fee you will paying to Coinbase for every trade you make on Coinbase. If you want to save yourself a lot of money, you can try out the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And yeah, basically on this trade it's already saving yourself 38 euros, as you can see. And after those 7 days you are paying around 25 euros, so it's definitely worth it. For the next step, once we have decided to buy these coins, you can select the buy now option over here and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!